hey man, thanks for making it over.
What's up, brother? How are you?
Man, I really need your help.
What's going on?
It started with the flowers. The flowers, complete disaster.
She didn't like the flowers?
No, the pipes. The pipes are all backed up.
Her pipes? Your pipes?
No, there's water everywhere.
Ooh, so she's already crying? You guys haven't even been together that long. Sounds like you need to get back on Tinder.
What?
You know, Tinder. Swipe right, I like you. Swipe left, I don't like you. Never swipe up.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about my landscaping company. Oh, no. Everything's fine with that. That building I manage, the landscaping company, is a complete disaster. I gotta get somebody new.
Oh, okay, you don't need Tinder. Sorry. You need Trimmer. It's like Tinder, but for landscaping companies. Great. You want to check it out?
Yeah, hook me up. What do I gotta do here?
So, touch the app.
Okay.
All right, and now you get to your first profile.
Well, this one looks good. New guy's landscaping. No, man, they're too young. Not enough experience. Swipe left, right?
Right. No, left. Left.
Okay, swipe left. Okay, these guys look pretty promising. Let's see what else about... Whoa! What is that guy wearing? No, man. I need a company that knows how to be professional.
Swipe left.
This looks promising. Stay green. Been in business since 1970. That's experience. Positive environmental stewards. I like that. Hey look, leaders in the industry. They use alternative fuels.
They got gas.
Landscape designs that reduce water consumption.
I like water.
Healthy landscapes. They know how to deal with the infiltration of non-native tree and plant-killing pests.
Stay green. Plant Avengers.
Look at this. It sounds like these guys really care about values.
Ooh, look, there's a video. Click on it.
Ooh, video. That was good.
That was really good.
I think I'm in love. Swipe right.